Hi everybody, it's Miss Holub. And it's Science Guy. Science Guy has something on his shirt. Can you read that word? What letter does it start with? If you said M, you were correct. The word is measure. In science today, we are going to be measuring objects. What does it mean to measure, Science Guy?
That's a good question, Miss Holub. Why don't we give some think time?
Ooh, that's right. Do you know what think time is? It means you put on your thinking cap and you think about it. So let's give you about 10 seconds of think time starting now. Have an idea? Go whisper it to your partner or your mom or your dad. Alrighty. Now that you've whispered your idea, we are going to talk about measuring. Read the cue with me. We will weigh different objects to determine which is lighter and heavier. Okay, heavier means that it weighs a lot. Lighter means it weighs much less. Okay, these are some different tools to help us.
Wow, Miss Holub, they're my size. I think I can go sit on it.
Oh, well, wait. Oh, I don't know if we're actually measuring you right now.
Oh, then why do I have this sign on me?
That's a great question. Let's move that. Now, in your brain, we already did our think time about what measure means. And after the end of this, I want you to see if you were correct. I want you to now make a prediction which object you think is heavier. That means it weighs more. We've got a marker. We've got a paper clip. We've got a ducky and bunny. And we've got a Mrs. Potato Head. Here she is, making her debut. Did I already say the ball and the ball? I'm not sure. Okay. Now, a scale is something that you measure the weight, right? The weight. The weight is a tool to measure, right? So how many of you have bathroom scales? Yeah. So your mommy or daddy, if you're on a diet, maybe you're weighing yourself. You're using that scale to determine the weight. A balance is just the size of the object. So does this one have a bigger mass than this one? Does this one take up more space than this one? Let's look. We've got our stuffed animals, Ducky and Bunny, and we've got a marker. Which one takes up more space? Well, let me ask you this. Which one takes up more space, Miss Holub or Science Guy? I do. I take up more space, so I have a bigger mass, right? And so we would use a balance to measure that. A scale is the weight, right? So first you want to make sure that it's on 0. First you want to make sure it's on the right way. How about that? Then you want to make sure it's on 0. There's a little twisty at the top, and you want to make sure. So when you have your bathroom scale, you want to make sure it's on the 0, as close to as you can, okay? So I'm going to put the ball, and what did it measure? 0.02. It isn't even 1 pound yet. That's the unit of measurement. So remember that, 0.02. What about, now let's do Mrs. Potato Head. Oh, wow, she's a half a pound, 0.05. So which one is bigger? Which one has the bigger weight? Mrs. Potato Head, when we were comparing the ball and Mrs. Potato Head. So now I want you to find 2 objects just like I did, and I want you to predict which one has a higher weight. And then I want you to record it on the Google slide.
Wow, Miss Holub, this was very informative. We learned how to measure using a scale.
Yes, we did. Have a great day, boys and girls. See you later.
Bye, everybody.